In today's video, we're going to go over the 6 best ways to make a passive income. And yes, these are side hustles that anyone can do. What I love about passive income is that you can make money while you sleep, while you eat, while you're working. You can actually be building a side income that can actually produce you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So I would love for you to stay till the end of this video because we're going to go over the 6 best ways to make a passive income. And I decided to do this because I realized that passive income has been one of the things that I love the most. And I was able to start earning a full-time income and actually leaving my full-time job once I had a few different passive income strategies work for me. So I'm going to take you through the first one, which a lot of people may shy away from, but I'm going to show you how to use it without even having to share any knowledge or even show your face, okay? So the first one we're going to talk about is YouTube and being a content creator. Now, I know some people are saying, you know what? I don't want to show my face. I don't want to have to do video marketing. I don't like videos. But with being a content creator, you can actually outsource the information and you can start producing an income without even showing your face, just like I'm doing now. And even if you don't know what to talk about, you can actually go onto YouTube and look up some different niche that you may be interested in and take one of those niche and actually start building content around it. So let's just say if you are a gardener, you love gardening, maybe you love cooking, you could actually YouTube this information and then come up with different ideas of content. And then after that, you can go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and actually get someone to put together a video regarding gardening. Okay, so this is one way that you can actually start producing a passive income, because once you have YouTube videos up, it starts to make a full-time income. Old videos that are, that may have gone up when you first started can still start producing an income by people watching those videos. The views actually turn into money. Now, with YouTube, you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get there. But if you are consistently putting up content onto your channel, you can easily hit this target. Okay, so that's one way that you can actually start producing an income and automating your income that pays you more than once. With YouTube, once you are monetized, you can start earning a check every single month with YouTube. Okay, and this will actually take off and allow you to start producing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. The next thing that we're going to talk about is investing in stocks. So you can buy index funds and dividend funds. And what happens is this can be a passive income that can start off as a little bit and actually build over time. This grows your money through time with expectation of achieving a profit by putting it into financial plans, shares, or property, or by using it to develop a commercial venture. Okay, investing is one of the traditional ways to make a passive income, and people have been investing in stocks for years and actually earning a full-time income. So what I would actually do is get a side job or side hustle that can actually help you produce some additional income that you can start investing into stocks, or take it out of your check every week or every 2 weeks and invest into some small stocks. This will pay off in the long run. And guys, what I want to let you know is that this is not a get rich quick overnight. This will take time, but over time, you're actually growing a passive income where you don't have to put a lot of time or energy in order to start making a full-time income. The next one that we want to talk about is selling digital products and e-commerce. And this is one of my favorite. Digital products is at a high demand. People are always looking to buy digital products about different topics that they're interested in. So as an example, if you're into cooking, you can actually come up with a digital product that may talk about different recipes and how to put them together, the spices that you may need, how to cook them, and then you can actually go and sell this digital product where people don't have to wait for a hard copy book. They can go and download this digital product. Okay, so it's a great income idea because once you put this up, it's an infinite inventory of digital products. You can create hundreds, if not thousands, of different digital products and courses that people can buy where they can actually learn something. And if you think about it, over the years, you may have learned a ton of different things that you can actually turn into a digital product, whether it's from your job, maybe it's a side hobby, something that you've learned that you want to share with people, something that maybe you're passionate about. You can then start making money from it, creating templates or preset packs for people that are interested in your work. It's easy to scale this just by starting off with maybe 4 or 5 little short digital products that you can put together once a month. You can do this any time of the day, and this is not something that you have to spend a ton of time on. Again, if you don't know where to start, you can also go and outsource it. If you have additional money, you can go into Fiverr, or you can go into Upwork and actually get someone to do the heavy lifting for you. So digital products, I highly recommend, and this is a great way for you to start actually building a passive income as you grow your inventory. The next one that I want to talk about today is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is really a great way to start producing an income, especially if you have no income, okay? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to buy into it and start to make money. What you're actually doing is selling someone's product. And there's so many different products that you can sell for free. You can go onto clickbank.com, you can go onto jvzoo.com, or you can go on to any other type of website that allows you to get an affiliate link and actually start making money from it. Amazon has one, Walmart has one, and there's so many other different places where you can go and actually start promoting other people's products. Affiliate links is what actually makes the sale. So when you have someone go and click on that affiliate link and they see something that they like or something that they want, the moment that they pay for it, you will get a percentage of the profit. And this is one of the ways that I have been making money for years, and it has never let me down, because there are so many different things that you can actually go out and sell that people are interested in. The sky is the limit. You just have to be willing to go in and take a look at something that you're interested in. And then what you're going to do is get your affiliate link. And then you can actually promote these different links on any social media platforms to actually start earning a living. This can be where you can accept, you can put out an affiliate product where you can make money monthly or a one-time investment. Okay, so if you have a recurring subscription from an affiliate marketing product, you're going to actually have customers that keep paying every single month for that particular product. And this can be anything. It could be something, a membership for a club where they have to pay $19.99 a month. If you're making half of that and you have 50 to 100 people that actually get involved, you're making a substantial amount of money over time. And again, this is passive. So affiliate marketing is another one that I highly recommend. And this is a way that you can start also earning a passive income. The next thing that I want to talk about is print on demand products. And again, this is another one that has a no cost for you upfront. Selling merchandise and other kinds of print on demand products like t-shirts is a big one, where there can be different logos you can create for people, or different things that you can put on top of a t-shirt that can draw attention to that shirt, whether it's a funny meme, or maybe it's something, a product that someone is selling. Maybe someone is coming up with a business and they want you to print shirts for them, or maybe you want to come up with a catchy slang or something that you want to put on a shirt. And a lot of people are making shirts, t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies that are selling for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And what you can do is, once you get the shirt together and you figure out what you want to create, you can do this on a website platform. And once a person orders the shirt, you can go ahead and have that shirt printed. Okay. So this is no cost upfront for you, because you don't need to print them and having hundreds of thousands of shirts laying around. You can actually just print a shirt once someone actually decides they want to purchase the shirt. Okay. And so again, you get a profit whenever someone makes a sale. This is a little bit more hands-on, but it is a great way to build a side hustle. The next one that I want to talk about is selling online courses and coaching. And again, I feel like this is really good. It kind of ties in with affiliate marketing, but think about it. If you've been on a job for 5 to 10 years and you have a lot of knowledge about anything that you've learned, you can actually turn it into a course. You can give people information on how to benefit, how to be successful at whatever it is that you're currently doing or something that you love. So as an example, I was a daycare provider for years. So I can actually teach people how to build a successful work from home daycare, right? And I can tell them all the things that they need when it comes to state mandate. So as an example, I was a daycare provider for years. And what I can actually do is put together a course where it talks about the different things that you need in order to build a successful daycare business. It could talk about different state mandates, the things that you need for infants, toddlers, or for those who are in school. It could talk about after school programs, the different type of meals that you need to prepare for your children. I can even give a course about the different things that you need to set up before you open up your daycare. So if there's anything that you are really good at that you can put together, that would be perfect for creating an online course. The practical thing to do for people who has the real skills, know what they're doing, and invested in making a good quality product. Okay. So again, you want to put something together that you are really familiar with, something that maybe you're passionate about or maybe it's a hobby. Okay. Maybe you're someone that loves bikes and you can talk about the different types of bikes and what is the difference between a 10 speed and a 5 speed, or the different types of bikes that people produce, the size of the wheels, what bikes are good for mountain climbing and things like that. So again, this is something that you can do. You can sell and build courses that is about different subjects that people may be interested in. And you can sell these courses for a one-time fee. Once you have built a course, it can sell over and over and over again. And that's what I love about being able to sell courses, and not only that, give coaching. Okay. You can also invest in just doing one-on-one coaching where you can make anywhere from $300 all the way up to thousands of dollars to be able to show somebody step by step how to do something that they may want to learn that you're extremely knowledgeable about. So this is another great way to actually have a side hustle. Some of it is passive and some of it is not. But again, it's a good side business that you can actually start from home. Now, what I want to talk about is the different types of hustles that we just went through. We went through YouTube, we went through investing in stocks, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, print on demand products, and selling online courses and coaching. If you're thinking, you know what, I'm interested in just doing one, which one would I start with? And I would absolutely 100% start with YouTube. Again, why? Because this is going to allow you to get the fastest results as long as you're consistent. And again, with this one, you're going to be able to outsource it. So if there's some things that you may not be able to do, like video editing, or you don't know exactly what to talk about, you can actually outsource that and let them know what areas you would like the person to focus on, and they can actually produce you a video that you can put up on YouTube. And if you were even just putting up videos, let's just say 4 times a week, that can actually help you to get monetized. And not only that, start producing an income through YouTube. So I hope that you've gained some knowledge from this video. If you're not subscribed, please go subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys another day. This is a holiday weekend, so I hope everyone is enjoying their holiday weekend. And I'll see you guys on another video. Have a great night.